The U.S. Federal Reserve, Fed, aims to get inflation down with its interest rate hikes this year. Longer term, however, inflation might still remain as a winner, with bets on Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and gold expected to pay off. But until then, volatility could flush out even the most dedicated crypto holders, crypto exchange BitMEX warned. Unlike some other observers from the crypto space who don't seem to believe the Fed will raise rates in any meaningful way, BitMEX said that it believes the Fed will respond to the rising inflation. It added that this shift in Fed policy will have a significant impact on both the inflation level and general conditions in the financial markets. The Fed is now required to respond and will do so, BitMEX's research team said, while adding that this is not necessarily a consensus view, at least. Further, analysts at BitMEX wrote that rising rates are expected to have a significant impact on investor demand for financial assets, and that this includes both stocks and crypto. Artificially low rates have taken the economic fuel away from real, sustainable, profitable and humble companies. Instead, we are left with loss-making tech startups, master of the universe VC funds, meme stocks, CryptoPunks and a Metaverse real estate bonanza. It added that this represents an extreme level of financialisation in the economy, and that financial assets in general are more sensitive to liquid. The result here could be that the next wave of inflation is experienced first in consumer prices, rather than financial assets, the team said. On the question of how investors should position themselves for such a scenario, the exchange reiterated that inflation will be the only winner in the end. In that event, inflation hedges such as gold miners, BTC, ETH, and index-linked bonds are expected to pay off, BitMEX said. Still, it warned that this scenario could take 5 or 10 years to play out. In the meantime, things will be volatile, inflation is likely to fall, and very few investors will have the patience and resilience to stick with their plan through all of this, the exchange said. Lastly, BitMEX noted that trying to be tactical in time markets is widely regarded as a fool's errand.